2026 is right around the corner, and if you still haven't figured out how to leverage AI in your workflows, you're gonna get left behind. So for today's video, we will be taking a look at the AI tools you have to master in 2026. Welcome to Plivo. First things first, agentic AI. Complex systems that don't just answer user queries, but can perform end-to-end tasks without human intervention. Agentic AI has been the talk of the town in 2025. You can find numerous tools that utilize agentic AI to research, schedule, and even conduct complex multi-app workflows. First on the list, we have our very own Plivo Vibe Agent. All you have to do is describe your use case to the Vibe Agent, allow it to build the flow, and it'll run evaluations along with correcting any mistakes or inaccuracies before launch. Plivo also supports both API-based and MCP integrations, so your agents can take actions across CRMs, help desk, e-commerce sites, productivity tools, and more. Plivo also allows you to instantly attach a phone number without juggling multiple providers, combining all your communication tools and integrations in one seamless experience. If you find this deep dive into agentic AI helpful, let us know in the comments below. Now, let's talk about developer tools. From the recent trends surrounding agentic AI, we have a pretty good idea where integrated development environments, or IDEs, are going to thrive. For starters, we have Cursor AI and Windsurf. Both IDEs leverage the same underlying AI model, OpenAI's GPT 3.5, to assist developers with code generation, editing, and debugging. While their core AI capabilities are similar, their user interfaces, workflows, pricing models, and feature sets differ significantly, catering to different types of users and preferences. Windsurf emphasizes simplicity, ease of use, and a polished, clean UI experience that feels intuitive, especially for beginners or those transitioning over from other tools like Bolt. Windsurf offers an agent mode called Cascade, which automatically indexes code, which means that the tool can create a searchable index of a code base for faster navigation and understanding, running commands, and applying changes seamlessly without overwhelming the user with inline diffs, which is a way to show the exact changes within a line of text rather than just indicating that the line itself has been modified. Cursor, on the other hand, targets power users who desire more control and feature-rich workflows. It defaults to a manual composer mode where developers specify file context and always see inline code diffs for thorough review. Cursor supports multi-tab AI-driven changes, a wide array of AI buttons for debugging, fixing errors, and generating code, and it offers extensive context management capabilities, including adding custom documentation, web searches, and specific code branches to the context. We would say that Windsurf is great for beginners and those devs who prioritize a clean, polished UI and straightforward workflows, while Cursor is better suited for developers who want a more robust, more flexible option and don't mind a tiny bit of UI complexity. Both are excellent AI IDE options with their own pros and cons, and the choice largely depends on what you as a developer require for your current workflow. Then we have reasoning models. Reasoning will be a huge differentiator in 2026. It's not about the scale of an LLM anymore, it's about how fast it can break down tasks and verify the steps. Claude represents a fundamental shift in how AI tackles complex problems. Unlike traditional models that generate answers in a single pass, Claude Opus 4.5 and other LLMs like it have introduced extended thinking mode, a reasoning framework that allows these models to allocate additional processing power and time to work through questions methodically. According to Valium AI's LLM leaderboard, Claude Opus ranks higher in visual reasoning than any other LLM by a large margin. For developers building AI-assisted applications, solving complex problems, or requiring verifiable decision-making, mastering Claude's reasoning model is a strategic advantage. Now let's look at creative tools. If you're a designer or marketer heading into 2026, AI creativity is the new standard. You will need to know how to incorporate them into your pipeline. If you're a creative person looking to build product images, mockups, brand visuals, LoveArt makes it remarkably simple. Here's how you can walk through it step by step. LoveArt doesn't require you to know complex design software. All you need to know is how to write a text prompt describing what you want: the product, style, colors, background, mood, composition, even the target use. Once you give your description, LoveArt uses its AI design agent engine to break down your request into design components and pick the best AI model to deliver those visuals. That means you don't just get a flat image, you get a well-composed design with layout, style, and details handled. The video generation space has also taken off. Google's Veo 3.1 transforms creative visions into cinema quality videos with native audio generation, synchronizing dialogue, sound effects, and ambient noise directly in the video. Speaking characters have realistic facial expressions and lip syncing. That AI thing with the hands, that's a thing of the past. So why Google's Veo 3.1 and not Sora or Kling? Well, the simple answer is that Kling's ecosystem is more China regional centered and varies a ton in distribution, whereas Sora has a specific advantage but has gated rollouts which make it inaccessible to most. Here's a bonus tip for you creatives watching. Build a clean style guide and feed it into your creative AI stacks. Your outputs become consistent almost instantly. Now finally, let's look at what the economics behind AI tells us. What we know so far is that inference and computing costs are dropping, but agent-heavy workflows can still get a little harsh on your wallet. A recent paper by Stanford HAI shows that inference prices on a given level of performance have plunged. What cost about $15 per million tokens in 2023 now costs just 12 cents per million tokens. In fact, a 2025 survey across companies offering AI agents found that hybrid pricing is already the norm. Most combine base subscription or seat-based pricing with usage-based components. Some firms are even experimenting with per workflow or per resolution, per outcome pricing, services where a fee is triggered only when the agent achieves a useful result, say a resolved ticket or a completed lead or a fulfilled request. So to close the video off, how can you practically apply this knowledge to your day-to-day? Well, pick one of the three areas: agents, reasoning, creative, and just choose one tool from each and start applying them to real tasks. Start with small automations and take it from there. The greatest scientific advancements all happen with that small step. Well, that is your AI toolkit for 2026. Let us know what you think in the comment section below. If you haven't already, do hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. We'll catch you in the next one.